Serger sewing machines, overlockers, are essential tools for finishing seams, preventing fraying, and delivering professional edges on knits and woven fabrics. They streamline edge finishing, rolled hems, and decorative stitches in a compact footprint, making them a popular upgrade for hobby sewists and small studios alike. In this review,
List number 1. Brother Serger. The Brother 1034D is a robust, metal-framed serger that prioritizes reliability and straightforward threading, offering 3- and 4-thread capabilities with a top-end speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. It ships with a metal frame construction, a removable trim trap, and 3 accessory feet: standard, gathering, and blind stitch, all of which contribute to a practical, out-of-the-box experience for hobbyists and semi-professional use. The inclusion of an underlooper threader and color-coded guides enhances setup efficiency, while the US-only 120-volt specification ensures consistent performance in common home sewing environments. Prospective buyers should note its weight, approximately 13.45 pounds, and the 5-year limited parts warranty, which provides solid peace of mind for everyday use. Performance-wise, the 1034D delivers solid, stable stitches with dependable differential feed behavior, making it suitable for lightweight to medium-weight fabrics, including denim with multiple layers when adjusted properly. The machine's speed control via a foot pedal allows rapid production in serging tasks, but still permits precise control for delicate fabrics. Users often appreciate the clear threading path and the included foot kit for versatile finishes. However, despite the metal build, the machine lacks some of...
List number 2. Pro Serger sewing machine. The Marger Pro Serger represents a budget-conscious option at $199.99, offering 3- and 4-thread configurations with 1,250 stitches per minute and LED illumination. Its all-metal body and vibration-damping base are designed for stable operation in small studios or home sewing spaces. The model emphasizes a quick threading system and color-coded thread paths to simplify setup, and the package includes an accessory kit and built-in guide for beginners. The 11 by 10 by 10 inch footprint and 17.63 pound weight place it in a compact, portable category while still providing robust performance for typical serging tasks. In use, the Pro Serger excels at handling a range of fabrics, from cotton and knits to denim, thanks to adjustable knives and presser foot settings that accommodate different thicknesses. The differential feed and tension lay-in system help minimize puckering on lightweight fabrics and prevent stretching on knits, which is especially valuable for beginners learning stitch balance. The included LED light improves visibility in dim workspaces, and the promise of after-sales support adds confidence for newer sewists. Drawbacks at this price point include limited brand-wide service infrastructure and potential variability in feed stability under continuous long runs.
List number 3. Janome Mod 8933 Serger with lay-in threading. The Janome Mod 8933 is a well-regarded 3- or 4-thread serger with lay-in threading, differential feed, and color-coded guides, positioned at $299. Its lay-in threading system simplifies setup, and the machine supports quick rolled hem changes along with adjustable presser foot pressure. Weighing about 14.3 pounds, this Janome model emphasizes ease of use and consistent stitch quality, backed by a 25-year limited warranty, signaling confidence in long-term reliability. Performance-wise, the MOD 8933 shines on fabric variety thanks to differential feed and the accessible lower looper with pre-tension adjustment. The lay-in threading reduces setup time significantly, which is a boon for users who frequently switch between fabrics. Its build quality feels solid, and Janome's experience in consumer-grade sergers translates into smooth operation and relatively quiet performance.
However, as a mid to upper price point model, it lacks some of the automatic conveniences found on top-tier sergers, such as automatic lower looper threading, which means beginners must still engage with manual threading steps occasionally.
List number 4. Juki. The Juki MO50E is a premium feel serger at the upper end of the tested price band, featuring lay-in tension, adjustable differential feed, built-in rolled hem, and an automatic lower looper threader with a retractable upper knife in the UL variant. It balances performance and user conveniences with a reputation for durability and precise stitch control, making it a strong choice for more serious hobbyists and small businesses looking for consistent results on a variety of fabrics. In practice, the MO50E delivers crisp, even overlocks with reliable seam finishes. The built-in rolled hem and adjustable calibrated knife contribute to clean, professional edges, while the automatic lower looper threading reduces setup time and frustration. The retractable upper knife adds versatility for tricky fabrics where you want to minimize bulk. Some users note that setup and threading still require attention, and while the machine is well built, it sits at a higher price within this category, so buyers should ensure the additional features align with their workflow and fabric needs.
List number 5. Singer S1478 Serger with Accessory Kit. The Singer S1478 sits at $259.99 and brings 2, 3, and 4 thread capabilities with a 1200 stitch per minute rate, differential feed, and LED lighting. The inclusion of a free arm and rolled or narrow hem options provides versatility for garment hems, elastic areas, and decorative finishing. The package includes a broad set of accessories, foot, tweezers, needle set, 2-thread looper converter, and more, making it a capable all-around machine for beginners to intermediate users seeking a well-rounded serger in a familiar brand. Performance-wise, the S1478 performs reliably across a range of fabrics, with the differential feed helping to manage knit and woven edges, as well as fine, lightweight materials. The LED light improves visibility during threading and seam finishing, and the free arm expands capability for cuffs and sleeves. The main trade-offs at this price point are occasional issues with peak torque under heavy denim-like fabrics if used for extended periods, and the general caveat that it may not offer the highest-end tension systems of premium models. Still, the S1478 provides strong value with a comprehensive set of features.